Hello everybody, we are doing our last cutting page today. Today we are doing our squigglies, not our zigzags, our squiggles. So we are going to go up to the top and we're going to put our name so that if our paper runs away, we can find it. Alright, I'm going to put my pencil back. Now notice, last time when we went over the zigzags, I didn't give you guys extra work to do at the end because the zigzags are quite hard and they're going to take a little bit. The same with our squiggly lines. The squiggly lines are going to be a bit harder. Take a deep breath. If you're not happy with how it's going, put your stuff down, take a deep breath, count to 10, and then try again. We don't give up in this class, so you can't just say, nope, I'm not going to do it. You need to practice, okay? Practice makes perfect. Everybody starts off not knowing, and this is how you become better. So I'm going to start off by checking to make sure that my thumb is in the smaller hole and my other two fingers are in the bigger hole. Now I'm going to grab the paper with my one hand and I'm going to hold it with my cutting hand. I am going to then start cutting. Notice I am moving the paper with my hand, my other hand, not my cutting hand, but the other hand. This takes a little longer because you're trying to stay on the squiggly lines. So take your time. Like I said, don't get frustrated. Sometimes when you're cutting, your paper may rip. If it rips, it's okay. All right, you just let it be. Put it aside, put the ripped piece aside, and keep working. All right. So we have our first squiggly line. And that took a little bit of time, which is all right because I took my time and I made sure that I was cutting on the dotted lines. I'm going to do that for each one of these. So let's see how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to be cutting 4 squiggly lines. When you're done with the squiggly lines, if you're tired and you're like, I can't cut anymore, you could still color these stars up at the top. In fact, once you're done with one of your squiggly lines, you can color the top to say, hey, I finished one. When you are done with your second one, color the star, because that means you have done 2 squiggly lines. Do that for each one of them so that you can see how awesome you're doing and see how much you've gotten done. All right? So that's your job for today. We will see you next week where we'll be cutting and coloring some more awesome things. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.